Billy's mother gave Billy a list of things to do. Billy read the list, and he spent 1 hour doing all 3 tasks. He swept the patio, he fed the dog, and he hung his t-shirts in the closet. When he finished, his mother gave him his pocket money. What has just happened? Billy's mother has given Billy a list of things to do. Billy has read the list, and he has spent 1 hour doing them. He has swept the patio. He has fed the dog, and he has hung his t-shirts in the closet. He has finished, and his mother has given him his pocket money. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some irregular verbs today, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.